Taking great care of your boiler system is an easy way to cut down on maintenance and repair costs and increase system efficiency. Make boiler care a breeze with F-301 NCNP, a convenient all-in-one boiler treatment from State Industrial Products. F-301 NCNP is a complete boiler water treatment for both scale and corrosion control in most boiler systems. Combining a powerful scale and sludge control agent with an oxygen scavenger and neutralizing amines, this unique product provides corrosion control throughout most boiler systems, maximizing the life of your equipment, minimizing fuel consumption, and reducing costly maintenance. NCNP prevents energy-robbing scale and reduces boiler sludge, allowing for efficient fuel usage, minimizing your energy cost. Best of all, since NCNP contains all of the ingredients necessary in one drum, there is no need to mix chemicals, making it simple and safer to use. NCNP is authorized by the USDA for use in federally inspected meat and poultry processing plants where the treated water or steam will not contact edible products. F-301 NCNP, best-in-class boiler treatment. Another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.